Cursor AI is an advanced AI-powered code editor designed to enhance developer productivity by integrating AI directly into the coding environment, and it is built upon the familiar interface of VS Code. We will see how we can download it. In Google, you have to type Cursor AI. Then you can click on this first link here, and here you will see the AI code editor built to make you extraordinarily productive. Cursor is the best way to code with AI. Now here you will click on this download for Windows, and then this can take some time for you to download it. The download is complete, and now let's do the installation. I will click on this setup, and here you can just accept the agreement, click next, then again you have to click next and click next here, again click next, and then click on this install, and the installation will start now. Just wait for a minute. It is complete now. I'm going to click on this finish button, and now let's launch. In Windows, I will type Cursor, and you see the app here. Click on this. Because I'm opening it for the first time, so it is taking some time. Now I'll go to File here, and I'll click on this Open Folder, and I'm going to open this folder, cursor_example. This I have created. You can also create an empty folder, and then click on this Select Folder here. Then you will see that folder name here and how to use it. So on the right hand side you will see this new chat, and here you can write your prompt, and it will start creating your files and the code automatically. Let's give it one prompt here to test it. I will write here, can you build a simple Python project that manages a list of tasks? I want to be able to load some sample tasks, add new ones, remove them, and print the list. Then you have to just press enter, and you will see how the code editor will work now. It has started writing code for us. First, it has created a requirement.txt file, you see here. Now it says that I will create a sample task file that will contain some initial task. It has created sample_task.json. You see it here. Now it says that I'll create the main task manager script that will handle all the functionality you requested. It is writing code and creating that. So this is the main task_manager.py. Finally, let me create a readme file to help you get started. This is the readme file that it has created. So it has done creating all the files. Now here you have this option. So you can accept files one by one. If you think that the file is good for you, you can click on this accept file, and this will be saved here. Then you will open this, and again you will check if this is good for you. Then you can click on accept file, and if you want to accept all of them together, then here you can click on this accept all, and all the files will be accepted. Now you see the power of this code editor. You just have to write a prompt. You don't even have to tell what kind of files you want to create it. It will create it on its own. This is how the Cursor AI code editor works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.